Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to describe how you can apply a home loan in India as an NRI and OCI while staying outside of India. So before I proceed further, if I'm not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, this is my personal experience that I'm sharing with you, and I'm going to tell you how you can do this yourself. Okay, and the steps involved and process. Okay. So the very first thing you do is of course to look for a property that you're gonna buy. Okay. And next you're gonna do is to like, because you're not gonna travel to India, like in this case, you're gonna find someone who's gonna act as your power of attorney. Okay. So it could be your friend, relative, in most of the cases relative, and there's some organizations also that offer similar such services for a fee, but it's up to you if you want to go with them. So here comes, like, you need a power of attorney who can do the transactions on your behalf. Okay. Now the application for home loan begins with the power of attorney. In the power of attorney document, you mention things like for this particular property that you have identified, and also for the transaction, financial transactions with the bank related to that, for like home loan purpose. So what I strongly recommend to you that when you are going to get your power of attorney document, just don't download it from any online website you may get, or don't get it from someone who has done it past. Instead, get it from a lawyer or some legal professional who's working in the same court under whose jurisdiction you're going to buy the property in India. Because you don't want some formatting changes or even minor details change, and that could create a trouble. You don't want that, right? So that's very important. So that's the first step. Okay. Now, I won't go into how to get the power of attorney document because get attested, apostilled, and other things. How to do such things, because for that I have already made another video. But I'll focus on home loan. Okay, now coming to home loan. So the very first thing you should do is like you should have your accounts updated. When I say updated means you need to have the status changed to NRI, because you are applying, let's say you are an OCI. So you are going to be applying from outside India, and if you have a domestic account in India, that doesn't make any sense. But yes, banks do help in these situations, and then they do let you convert the account to NRI at the time of processing itself. Like they convert it and then get the loan application through it. Okay. Now, once you have this, what you should do, like I assume that you have already get your account updated, but I know people get it done at this stage too. But anyway, so you have a representative from your bank branch, right? Or your bank altogether. Like many banks like HDFC, they offer relationship manager, ICI offer relationship manager that I know, and some other banks too. So whoever is your point of contact, it could be your branch manager, or in SBI, in every branch, they have like some point of contact for various matters. Like there is one for NRI matter, home loan matter. So you can contact them. Okay. They will help you in this, because I have seen nowadays even SBI is providing excellent services. So you can contact them, and I want this. So if you already hold an account in their branch, or if you're applying through your relationship manager, they are going to definitely help you with the process. Okay. Now, coming to the process, what are the things they need? They need your 1 year of bank statement. Okay. Then your 3 months of pay slips. Now, in countries like Canada, where you get paid bi-weekly, so still for last 3 months, whatever pay you have got, you do it. Your employment letter. Coming to your employment letter, your passport, your OCI card, if available, and if not, like PR card, another thing, if you are still an Indian citizen. And then uh, yeah, so these are the documents they need. Now coming to verification, for employment, verification is very important, because from your employment letter they are going to pick the email address and send an email, and probably that's going to be of your HR. So your HR needs to reply on that and confirm the information that you have included in your application. Next comes is they want you to verify your email address too. So they will tell you, when I say email address, I mean official business email address, not your Hotmail Gmail. So they will tell you that you send an email to their branch or loan department email account from your email address. Once get that gets through, they receive it, fine. That step is also done. Okay. Coming to more steps is that yeah. So after this, what happens is that like you can fill the application, or sometimes they themselves fill. I mean, they collect the details with from you and they themselves fill. But anyway, even whoever is doing it, before you send any documents by international courier, just get the document scanned and including form, and send it to your representative to confirm that, hey, whatever I have entered is correct, or do I need to make any changes? Okay. Now, one challenge I had faced that I want to share with you. So my OCI document was obtained back in 2018. That time I used to live at a different address where I don't live now. So after I had provided all my details to my representative, including my current address and all, the form that the representative sent me still had my old address. I got shocked. Why? I did not mention that address anywhere. So I asked, hey, what have you done? So the response from that side was, because I do not hold a valid voter ID card, it's been surrendered. I don't have Aadhaar number. So basically, I don't have any Indian issued documents apart from OCI. OCI is a document that is issued by the government of India. So they picked up that address. I said, no, but that is incorrect. I don't stay there. They said, no, still we have to use that address. But then what I did, I said, wait, I have already updated my address in the OCI records, but because it falls under the gratis service, so my address in the booklet is not updated. But yeah, in the system it is. I forwarded them the email I have got from the system, screenshots of my application of OCI address change, and they accepted, and my address was also updated. Okay. Then they're gonna send the form, or like, then the hard copy of the form you need to sign. If you have a co-applicant, they need to sign as well. And again, you should verify it after you sign with them, with your branch, that yeah, you have done it correctly, because it's not possible to send these documents back and forth. Now, they may want you to get it attested or notarized. Like if you go with SBI, SBI has a branch in has branches in Canada too. So you can go to an SBI branch and you can sign in front of them, and they will do the verification, and then that's it. You don't have to get notarized. Okay. Similar things happen for ICICI too. So that also works like this. But anyway, so in this way, it goes through like this. Next. Next is, once they verify that yes, the form has been filled up correctly. So power of attorney document, form, that form is going to carry your photos too, your passport copy signed by you, your OCI copy signed by you, your 1 year of bank statement signed by you, your 3 months of pay slips signed by you, your employment letter copy signed by you. All these documents, they will share the checklist with you. And depending upon your case, there could be additional two, like marriage certificate. They may ask if you're applying along with your spouse. For your spouse, or similar documents can be asked if he or she is working. Then that you need to put in a single envelope, and you are going to dispatch it to your power of attorney. Okay. In most of the cases, it's going to be your relative. And then once your relative gets this, or your friend, whoever is, that power of attorney is going to go to the branch and say, look, I have got. Okay. And in this way, the transaction is going to begin. Again, like if you have your bank account in the same a bank from which you are gonna obtain the loan, it will make your life much easier. Like if you're applying home loan from SBI, for example, and if you hold an account in SBI, it's gonna be much simpler, rather than you'll fill multiple documents and authorizations for SBI to pull money from some other account like ICICI, HDFC. I'm not saying it cannot be done. It can definitely be done It's legally allowed and people do this. But if you have it in the same bank, it's going to be much easier, especially when you go for something like prepayments and all. So that really helps. And from there, like once it is approved, then like once it is approved and you have done the agreement with the house owner, be the builder or even individual seller, then based on the agreement and these documents, the loan can be approved and dispersed to the party, and that's it. It's done. Yeah, papers will be taken by bank, no doubt. And then once everything is done, that's okay. And during this process, you will come to know your interest rate and payment also. And yes, banks may try to sell you some additional products like home loan insurance, sometimes even credit cards. So it's up to you if you wanna take those or not. It's in most of the cases I'm gonna deny. Okay, but it's up to you. So this is the whole process, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.